Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest today is Dream with Caroline. And she has chosen the theme Summer Picnic. So I already started with this red and white checkered runner, and now I'm going to be adding these beautiful red and ferns in a wicker basket as the centerpiece. Now, something I want to point out, because I did not have a red and white runner, this is actually two king-size pillowcases that I folded in half and ran it across the center of the table. So that worked out perfect. Next, I have this Longaberger basket that I've had since we lived in Ohio, and I have it lined with a watermelon pot holder and some faux cupcakes. The watermelon pot holders I got from the Dollar General, and the cupcakes are from Amazon. So here's what it looks like so far. Next, I'm bringing in this watermelon stand that I purchased at the Dollar General, along with a faux milkshake and some ice cream in a cone cup with matching spoons, again from the Dollar General. Love the way this is looking so far. What do you all think? Next, I'm bringing in a red tapered candle and a crystal candle holder, and I'm placing one on each side of the beautiful red flower centerpiece. Okay, next is this really pretty sage green plate that I ordered from Amazon. I love that they're a deep dish plate. Next is this really pretty scalloped salad or dessert plate that has little flowers and a bird cage. Again, from Amazon. And my drinking glass there was a gift. I like it had little bubbles. And then I have a martini glass that's tinted green. And that was a gift as well. And then I have this wicker napkin round with my cream colored napkin. So that is what the table setting looks like for all four. Okay, here is my completed tablescape for today. I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can create a picnic tablescape indoors or even outdoors. And I hope Caroline likes what I've created for today's video. Now, if you would, go check out the playlist and see what everyone else has done, and leave a comment and a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.